everyone and welcome back again. After we finished from the distribution for the sliding fixtures and after we make the calculation sheet, now in this lecture we will learn how to distribute the switches for the sliding. Now, as we said in the previous lectures, the difference between the switch, one-way switch and two-way and one-way two-gang switch, and what is the one-way switch and what is the two-way switch. Now, practically, we want to distribute the switches. I can copy all those switches, selecting all of them to be near the drawing. Copy. After that, put it here in the center. Right click, enter. Now, all which I will do is copy and paste and rotate. Let's see here. This office number 2, for example, they have 15 luminaire and also 3 plus 3 6 and 2 8 luminaire downlight. How many switch we have to put? For me, for example, I will put this 6 luminaire in one gang and also this 6 luminaire in one gang, and here one gang. Here for this 15, maybe for me, for example, I will put one way switch 3 gang, and also here I will put all those downlight luminaire in one gang switch. Let's see. We can select one way switch 3 gang and one gang, or double of switches one way 2 gang, because here I require, as I'm said, 4 gang. I will select this one way switch 2 gang, copy here and here. I distribute all the switches on the right way of the door opening or opposite the door opening. See here the door open, like here I put the switches here, and I can put the switches from the edge, the distance 20 centimeters to 25 centimeters. I think it is enough. Now here I put those one way switch 2 gang for all the luminaire. Here I can do one thing. What I can do? I can determine exactly the gang for any from where I can open this luminaire and so on. How can I do this? I'm copying this text only, and for example write X scale SC, have to increase it half time 1 base point 0.5. Move again here, put in the corner luminaire and copy, for example, from this point X here, click, 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 also here, and here again. Now I can say that I want to open those 6 switches in one line. How can I express this? I will make one letter here, X, 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 X. And here also I can change it by Y. For example, it's up to you. But for me, Y, Y. Also, it is up to, for example, in the holes, I can distribute or make the gang for the first column or second column or third column. Y, 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 Y. And here also I will mention the third line. Let's suppose it is L. Again here L, also here L, and here for this downlight, as I'm said, I can mention again the corner of the luminaire. I can mention this letter, suppose P, and here from the center, copy, 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 again, now here, what is the meaning of this letter? As we said, this means here for this first switch it is for X and Y, and also the second switch open the luminaire which have the letter L and P.